are here at PMRExpo at the booth of TAIT Communications, and we're talking to Judd Cain, and he's Managing Director of TAIT EMEA. And Judd, a lot of stuff has happened over the last year with TAIT Communications. You have a new office in Sydney, right?
We do.
Expanded your business in Europe. Can you tell us a little bit more? Can you give us a little bit of a heads up?
Sure, absolutely. Well, it's been an exciting year for the business. As you mentioned, we did open an office in Sydney, Australia. We've been doing business in New South Wales for a long time and decided that we wanted to reestablish a large presence there. So we've actually moved the regional headquarters to Sydney, and we'll keep our office in Brisbane, which we've had for about 2 decades. Here in Europe, we're really excited to be growing our presence in the UK again. TAIT's had a long history in the UK, large dealer network there, and we're happy to be adding more staff, moving the regional headquarters ultimately to Cambridge area very, very soon, probably within the next couple of months. And of course, just reestablishing our ties with our reseller partners there, which again, we've had a long history with them and done a lot of business in the UK. Very happy to be growing our presence there again.
And we see that you're strong in the UK, but how is TAIT involved in other countries in Europe?
Yeah, well, we've had our office in Vienna for quite a while, and that's been a great basis for us to look after customers in Eastern Europe, the CIS countries, Middle East, and we're also serving Africa, of course, and we've had a long history in French-speaking Africa. We have an office in Paris. The thing that I'm most excited about our European business, talking about outside the UK now, is the degree to which the TETRA customers, of course there are so many in Europe, are really embracing DMR as a possible next communications option, or even an augmentation or a path to the LTE future that we all see out there in the horizon somewhere. So we're seeing interest from customers, traditional TETRA customers that wouldn't have been typically DMR customer candidates, and they're now expressing a lot of interest. Of course, TAIT is very strong in the DMR world and in the association, so we're really excited to see that level of interest and opportunity from those traditional TETRA clients.
And are these customers looking at DMR Tier II, or is it DMR Tier III what we're talking about?
Mostly Tier 3. We're talking about largely transport customers, although there are even some blue light customers here and there, but predominantly in the Tier 3 trunk space and in the transport industry vertical.
Okay. And now we're talking about the industry. I've seen at this show a lot of changes in technology, moving away slowly from TETRA or integrate TETRA, or LTE in TETRA, or LTE in DMR, but also on the control room side. Yeah. So what kind of developments has TAIT on that part?
Yeah, well, we're really very bullish on the opportunity to add into the DMR portfolio Internet of Things, connected critical communications for devices and machines. So we're really introducing our GridLink platform formally here. It is a utility-centric SCADA solution that runs over the DMR Tier 3 network. This is a great medium voltage distribution automation application to bring critical data in and out of the control room for the utility. We're also showing Unify Voice, which ties our mission critical voice over LMR, DMR into the world of LTE and mobility. And we even have our seamless roaming product here, which allows concurrent calls to run over multiple networks, whether it's LTE, P25, DMR, or even analog, and to have survivability of those calls even when certain networks are down. So the multi-network, multi-bearer future that we're seeing emerge, we're really, really passionate about developing products that are going to address that, and we're showing some of them here today.
So TAIT is embracing all those different technology changes, right?
Absolutely. I mean, this is the future of the industry. I mean, I think we all see that clearly now. Now, how quickly that'll evolve and in what way, certainly many opinions about that, but we really know that the future for our customers is to have multiple networks, to have multiple bearers and multiple ways of communicating. Data and voice really are both critical. It's not about voice anymore only, and so we have to deliver those solutions that are going to allow our customers to get there.